Making a decision to repair or replace a retaining wall is best done left to the professionals. An older wall doesn't necessarily mean it's time to replace it, but what's needed to repair it can really make a difference in making that determination. What you try to avoid is having people spend money repairing a wall that is not going to last long enough to justify the expense for the repairs. So that's where a professional can really help you out, and many companies like ours are willing to come out and give you free estimates and give you advice on whether to replace it or repair it.